How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? This video is different for what I usually do, and this is for Steam support who requested a video of my problems with the Steam Deck. So at first glance, it looks normal, right? Front and then back. And as you can see, it's not connected to, to my dock, so therefore there's no external damages. So, I'm gonna show support, some of the, details of the problem. So thumbstick's good, D-pad's good, button presses are okay, right? But if you look in the back, right over here, as you can see, it's a little stuck. How do I do this? Give me a second. So if you look over here, right, yeah, I only got two hands. Yeah, the L5 works fine, right? But if you look over here and I try to press it, nothing. It's a little stuck in place, and I know you can't see it a little bit though, but you can see it's slightly ajar over here, so therefore it's stuck embedded deep within inside the deck. So that's all for external damages of the deck, right? So now I'm going to power on the deck because I just put it in sleep mode, for this demonstration. So as you saw, right, it raised the volume all by itself. So no matter what I do, right, the volume will automatically go to the max. I know, it's frustrating to see. So my fix, right, well, temporary fix of course, is to simply go to desktop mode. Alright, so it's going to desktop mode. Alright, I'm just going to give it like a few seconds to do its thing, boot up fully into desktop mode. Okay, so again, nothing's connected, dock's not connected, I'm not touching it, so I'm going to move along here. And if you look closely, right, one click, you see them all highlighted, right? So normally when you single click, only one is supposed to be highlighted. And if I go to another location, like all the way to the right, for some reason though, it seems to highlight all that's in the left. Now if I try to drag one of them, right, see, it disappears, which prevents me from, performing my stuff here. So I can't really go into gaming mode per se because of this thing. In fact, let's click out. If I try to do it by finger, same thing. So yeah, because of this though, I'm now forced to hard reset it. So I'm going to hard reset it. And let's look up here for the white light. There we go. That's all we need. And now we try to boot up. So now, because of the whole volume thing, right, I'm now forced into this mode, right? So if I try to go down, right, it'll automatically go up in one direction, right? And of course, I cannot finger click it, which means I'll have to use the onboard controls. Alright, so I'm going to let it boot up to gaming mode, because this is my way of going to gaming mode right now. I mean, the deck still works per se, but I'm limited to what I can do, and this is already annoying me as it is for a few months now. Alright, just going to skip this. Alright, so let's do the whole volume thing again. So because of that though, switching from one mode, kind of stops it, right? But when I try to raise it, nothing happens. So now, let's put it to sleep mode and wake it back up again. And look at that. The problem is back yet again. So yeah, there you go, Steam support. Those are my problems at hand, and if you need more information, just reach out to me and I'll do my best to provide further details of my issues. Thank you.